That's how I woke up. Can you see me? It's so bright. This is how I woke up. So, guess what, guys? We're gonna unbox the Beautiful. No, we're gonna unbox the Wake Up and Makeup. And we're gonna use it. I'm gonna stop, pause, and I'm gonna use the stuff that's in here so that, look at my hair. Yeah, this is how I wake up, guys. Ugh. So we're gonna use the stuff. We got some deodorant. We got a brush. We got some Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Spray shampoo. We got some Peacock CoverGirl mascara. We got e.l.f. Natural Glow Face Palette. Oh shit, you guys are gonna see me with the face glow. And we got some makeup remover, which we'll use tonight. So we'll put that one back. And then let's see what else we can use. I don't think we can use anything in here. Oh, and I did find my Burt's Bees, so we can use that too. So this one's all bath stuff in here, and the Treat Yourself is all bath stuff, so put that to the side. These are all masks, so we'll put that to the side. And let's see if there's anything in the Beautiful. No, just the lipstick. And maybe number 8. Yeah, we'll use the hydrating cream. We'll use the Honest Hydrating Cream and the Be Yourself. Alright, let's give this a try and we will be back. Ta-da! Okay, so this is what we did. We used, first we used the e.l.f. palette. We tried all 4 of them. Okay, it's me looking at me, looking at me, looking at me. We tried all 4 of them and they were gorgeous. So, decided to try all 4, see which one worked for me, and I believe that this one, and this one was the best fit for me. It worked really good with the brush. Like you can see all the stuff coming out. We used the deodorant, which works really good, and we used the hair, the spray. It smells really good, although it did put like a residue in my hair, but what can you do? We also used this, which kind of gave me like a, I don't know, like it's that type that if you were to start doing something, you would probably end up sweating a little bit. It's kind of like caked on, but it's still a good product because I can feel like how smooth my skin is. There's the Burt's Bees I have on right now. Yeah, that's, and then the Peacock Flare I have on, along with my BH Cosmetics. I have the Cosmic Purple right here on. Don't look up my nose. Cosmetics on. Cosmic BH Cosmetic, I mean. So, in the end, all of the Target boxes were worth a lot more than basically all you did was pay for shipping, and that's how I see it. Everything that I got was like mostly for getting ready instead of like, yeah, the one thing that I would love to see more of is more hair product. Like my hair is really dry, so it would be cool if we saw something that actually had to do with like hair color. Like, you know, they have those little sprays at their place where, you know, you spray your hair, or you could spray color in your hair. That would be cool to see. There's also let's see, there's also like different types of oils and stuff like that that could go into the boxes. Other than that, like everything that I've gotten so far is perfect. A lot of it can be used over and over again, and a lot of it's going to be used like for a good amount of time. Like, especially like the nail polish, the e.l.f. lip stain, the Burt's Bees, the deodorant, the brush I can have forever. You know, like this is awesome, giving me a full-size cosmetic. Other than that, all I gotta say is go get you a Target box and try it for yourself. Thank you. Have a good day. I, on the other hand, have a busy day. So, good morning, and have a wonderful day in this beautiful snow that we have going on today. Yes, I'm in Michigan, so we have about 2 inches of snow outside. Yeah. Alright, so see you guys later. Bye.